What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, and this week on the show, I want to talk about how I recently bid out a home improvement project, and I got my shutters painted on my house all the way around, and it went really well, and I just want to explain what I did because I think that this could potentially be useful to you and help you navigate the process of getting home improvement work done and doing it efficiently. So there have been in the past different companies that have tried to aggregate this for you, and I'm thinking like Home Advisor and Thumbtack and Angie's List, different things like that where you tell the company you're looking to get this done, they'll give you leads, and ultimately you'll find somebody to work with. But those companies charge those contractors for your lead, and that gets baked into the pricing that they give you, and so you can really take this part upon yourself, and it's not very difficult at all. I did this exclusively on Facebook, thanks to their groups. In most areas of the country with a decent amount of people, you'll have what's called chatter groups. And so usually the name of the area that you're in plus chatter will be a group where people go to talk about current events, gossip, what's coming in from a real estate development standpoint. Anything goes in these groups usually. And so what I did is I took a couple of pictures of my house, and I wrote a really detailed, what it's called a scope of work. And it says, I am looking for somebody to take the shutters off of my house, paint them, and then put the shutters back on my house. And that you write it specifically to make sure that you don't get somebody that's gonna take a can of spray paint directly up to your house, and next thing you know, your windows are a different color. So detail exactly what you want. And if you don't know the means and methods of your specific project, you can say that, I'm looking for somebody with experience to do this, this, and this, and I want this outcome. And then share as many good pictures of your situation as you can, and share it to the chatter pages. And I would recommend you turn off the comments so that people direct message you, and you can hit your message requests and see all of those, and just ask them to bid the job on the fly if possible, or have them have an opportunity to come and look at your specific job. With me getting shutters painted, I got bids just based on the pictures. It was pretty straightforward. There wasn't anything hiding, no unforeseen circumstances in this project. And so I did this and ultimately got bids anywhere from a couple $100 to some people thinking that my shutters needed to be painted out of solid gold. I had quotes in the thousands of dollars. And so you've got to filter what you get and ultimately validate, are they a reputable company? Do they have insurance? Do they have references? And you can ask them all this, and you can call their references. Make sure that they've done a good job for other people before. If somebody looking to do this sort of work does not have somebody that'll vouch for them, they've probably not been doing it very long. So you want to consider that as well. But ultimately what I'm getting at here is that I probably could have painted my own shutters, but I hired a professional. They came in one day, took them down off the house, used a professional grade sprayer, got them all cleaned up, got them back onto the house. I wasn't even here during the process. I was at work, and it was well worth my time because I spent a little bit of time on the front end mining Facebook Marketplace, finding a good professional to get this done, and probably saved a decent amount of money in the process by making sure that I was getting a competitive pricing number. So I know that if you're over the age of 30, Facebook is dinosaur technology, but it can help you save some money on your home improvement projects, so check that out. That's gonna bring this episode of the show to a close. This is real estate adjacent, I would say, but I love talking about real estate. If you want to get in touch with me in anything in that world, remember I am a broker. I am IndieDwell Real Estate, and you can get in touch with me in the comments or at IndieDwell.com. As always, if you got an idea for a future topic on the show, let me know in the comments and I will engage with you there as well. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.